Welcome to the BHMS Online Test Series course, designed specifically for you, from your first year all the way through to your final year. This course is crafted to help you excel in your BHMS exams and provide a comprehensive learning experience that adapts to your growing knowledge. Whether you are just beginning your BHMS journey or preparing for the final year exams, this test series is here to guide you every step of the way. This test series is divided into distinct levels, starting from year 1 through to year 4. Ensuring you get the right challenges at each stage. Each year has its own set of mock tests, designed to help reinforce your knowledge, improve, recall, and give you the confidence needed for your exams. In your first year, you'll dive into subjects like anatomy, physiology, and pharmacy. Our Year 1 tests will focus on foundational knowledge, providing you with a solid understanding of basic sciences and core principles. Through practice, you'll become familiar with the types of questions you'll encounter, strengthening both your theoretical and practical understanding. Moving into Year 2, you'll focus on subjects such as pathology, forensic medicine and toxicology, materia medica, and organon of medicine. The Year 2 tests in this series have been designed to deepen your knowledge of remedies, their actions, and their therapeutic applications. Our mock exams will challenge your understanding and test your ability to apply knowledge in clinical scenarios. Year 3 brings you into the clinical phase of your BHMS journey. You'll start understanding diseases in more detail and their treatments. The Year 3 tests emphasize clinical practices, diagnosis and therapeutics of surgery, gynecology, and obstetrics. You'll work with questions that simulate real-life cases, helping you enhance your clinical reasoning and decision-making skills. Timed mock exams that simulate real exam conditions to help you improve time management. Instant results and detailed feedback so you can identify areas that need more focus. Exploring the structure of the body from cells to organ systems. Physiology will unravel the functions and processes that keep the body in harmony. Comprehensive explanations that deepen your understanding of key topics. Regular progress tracking to see how much you've improved. Expert tips and guidance to make your study sessions more efficient. Mastering these foundational subjects is crucial for building a solid understanding of health, disease, and the principles of homeopathic treatment. Regular assessments through our online test series will solidify your understanding of these core concepts. Year 2 BHMS delves into pathology, forensic medicine, toxicology, and the fascinating world of materia medica. You'll explore the causes and mechanisms of diseases, learn to interpret forensic evidence, understand the effects of toxins, and begin your journey into the vast repository of homeopathic remedies. Year 3. BHMS marks a significant shift towards clinical application. You'll dive into subjects like surgery, gynecology, and obstetrics, learning to apply your theoretical knowledge to diagnose and treat patients. Our online test series, with its case-based scenarios, will hone your clinical reasoning skills and prepare you for real-world challenges. Section 4. Year 4 and beyond. Mastering homeopathic practice. Year 4 integrates your knowledge, focusing on advanced concepts in repertory, practice of medicine, and community medicine. You'll learn to select the most appropriate remedies for complex cases, manage patients holistically, and understand the role of homeopathy in public health. Our test series, with its focus on case analysis and remedy selection, will refine your decision-making abilities and prepare you for the complexities of professional practice. Section 5. Ace your exams with our online test series. Our meticulously designed online test series is tailored to mirror the BHMS exam pattern, providing you with a realistic and effective preparation experience. Each test is timed, simulating exam conditions and enhancing your time management skills, crucial for success on exam day. Section 6. The benefits of consistent practice and evaluation. The beauty of our online test series lies in its instant results and detailed feedback. After each test, you'll receive a comprehensive performance analysis, highlighting your strengths and areas for improvement. Detailed explanations accompany each question, solidifying your understanding and ensuring that you learn from every mistake. The platform also tracks your progress over time, allowing you to monitor your improvement and identify any persistent weaknesses. Our team of homeopathic experts is always available to provide guidance and support, offering valuable tips and strategies to maximize your learning. Section 7. Conclusion. Your path to success in homeopathic medicine. The BHMS journey is demanding but incredibly rewarding. Embrace the challenges, stay dedicated to your studies, and leverage the power of consistent practice with our online test series. These comprehensive courses are available to you at an incredibly affordable price of just $4.99 each, with a 1-month validity, giving you the flexibility to study at your own pace and convenience. For just $4.99, you gain access to a structured and strategic test series that covers all the key subjects in each year of your BHMS course. How to get started? Getting started is easy. Download the HomeoEd app, simply log in, select your year, Enroll course, and begin taking the mock tests at your convenience. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can access the tests anytime, anywhere. Track your progress, review answers, and boost your preparation with our user-friendly online platform. And remember, this entire course is available to you for just $4.99 for 1 month. Join now and take charge of your BHMS journey. Good luck, and may you achieve all your goals in BHMS with the support of this test series. Start your preparation today and embark on a fulfilling career dedicated to healing and well-being.